guys, it's Mrs. Pies. Right now, we're going to try to really use our brain power and think about and remember all of the sounds. I'm going to add every letter and every sound to the learning. So some of these letters you haven't even learned yet. But I thought, oh, why not? You guys are smarty pants. So let's just go ahead and use all the letters so you can stretch your brain and really get as much as you can out of this. So here we go. Oh, first, I need my glasses on. Hold on. Okay. You can see now. Much better. Better. Ready? You say the letter and the sound with me, but I'll help you for this first game. Okay? Go. V. N. N. M. M. P. 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 S. S. Z. S. Z. W. 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 A. 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 Ah. E. 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 C. K. S. K. S. J. 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 F. My glasses are falling down. Q. U. Qua. 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 U. 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 This is a tricky one. Y. Ya. I. Ya. I. K. 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 G. G. J. G. J. T. 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 R. 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 H. X. Ooh, this is a new one. So we're going to kind of like chop it like an axe, like we're chopping down a tree. Ready? Psst, 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 psst. Good job. Keep practicing that way. You'll remember that way. Z. Z. B. B. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a D. Pardon me. D. 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 O. A. O. Oo. A. O. Oo. You guys are really good at this one. L. L. B. 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 I. 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 V. V. N. N. Oh, I think we're back at the beginning. Okay, that was our first game. Here's our second game. I'm going to give you the letter. You have to tell me what the sound is. Ready? Oh my gosh. M. Tell me the sound. Say it out loud. N. What's the sound an N makes? Good. V. What sound does a V make? Remember, tickle your bottom lip. V. Good. I. Two sounds for I. B. Sound of a B. L. O. Three sounds for an O. D. Z. I'm going to help you with this one because it's new. Z. X, X. Remember? Good. Like a little puppy dog. T. Oh, I forgot to give you the letters. It's okay. G. 2 sounds. K. 1 sound. Y. 3 sounds. U. 3 sounds. Here's a clue. When you remember the sound, the sound does it make? There's 3 of them. Q. U. F. J. C. 2 sounds. E. 2 sounds. A. W. You guys are doing great. We're almost done. 2 sounds for my S. P. Okay, last game. How did you do on that one? Was that hard? That was hard. Just practice the first game we did when we did the sound and the letter together, okay? It'll be a lot easier. I'm gonna put these on my head now. Oh, way better. Look, it looks like I've got, I don't even know what that is. Little unicorn horns. I'm not sure what that is, but it looks silly. I love it. Okay, last game. I'm going to give you a sound. You have to think of the letter and tell me out loud. I'm listening. Okay? So you're not going to see anything except me. You're going to really use your ears and really listen to the sounds that I make, and you're going to guess what letter it is. Do you have to be perfect? Nope. I just want you to try. Okay, ready? Mmm. What letter is that? Mmm. Mmm. Eh, I, eh, I, b, 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 b. Ooh. Ah, o, oo. D, d, d. Oh, it's a new one. Z, ks, ks, ks. You're doing good as long as you're trying. R, r, r. T, t, t. G, j, g, j. K, k, k. Ya, I, I. Ya, I, I. U, U, Qua, qua, qua. J, j. Almost done. K, s, k, s. E, 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 e. A, a, ah. W, w, ha. This is another new one. S, z, s, z, s, z. Last one. P, 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 p. Okay, you did great. We're all done with that. I want you to do this at least once a day because your brain is smart and I don't want all of that awesomeness to fall out of your brain and your ear and lose it all. I will see you soon. I'm going to make lots of videos for you. Give yourself, do this. Give yourself a really, 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 really big squeeze and know it that just came right from me. Bye.